Hey, welcome to a new video. My name is Simbi, and I was created using AI. Let's learn how to create an AI talking avatar, like me in this video. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel.
The first steps to take, we need to create our image that we can use for this talking avatar. So most of you have been asking for this, so this video is perfectly explaining how to create this talking avatar. So to create your image, we'll be using ChatGPT for this image creation, and for this you can copy this prompt. I'll provide this prompt. If you need this prompt, let me know in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to send you this prompt that you can use to generate your image. So when you come to ChatGPT, if you have not signed in, then you need to sign in using your Google account. After that, you open a new chat. Once you open a new chat, you get the prompt which I'm going to be providing for you. When you get the prompt, you come to this text box area, just paste in the prompt. You can remove what you need to remove. If you have any customized clothes you want your character to put on, or if you have any customized look that you want your character to look like, then you can simply go into this prompt and replace what you want to use. You can replace the curly afro hair. You can replace either a male character or a female character. How you want to edit this prompt, then you can go ahead and edit the prompt. After that, when you are done, then you come over here and click on this send icon to get your image ready. Once your image is ready, you open the image and then you download your image to your device, and that is ready. The next step is to create your voiceover, and for this voiceover we'll be using 11 Labs. You can use any text-to-speech website that you have access to create your voiceover. I'll leave the links to all these websites in the description of these videos. When you come to 11 Labs, you simply come over here to your left hand side. You will see text to speech. Click on text to speech and it will give you access to enter the text you want to generate audio for. Then over to your right hand side, you can select the voice you want to use for this. You can also clone your own voice using this website. So come down, click on voice. So over here you can click to select the voice actor you want to use for this. If you want to use a female voice, then you can click on this play icon to listen to how the voice sounds like. Now select the voice by clicking on the voice, then come down, leave every settings the way it is. Then after that, you click on generate speech. Once your voice is done generating, then you can come down here and take a preview of how the voice sounds like by clicking on this play icon. And if you are satisfied with the voice, then you go over here and click on this download button. Then the next step, we are going to use Hailuo AI to generate the movement that we will see in that image from the beginning of this video. But before we do that, if you generate your image using ChatGPT, then it means you need to convert that image from web version to JPEG version. And to do that, then you need to open your image, go to your file, double click on the image and open the image. In case you are using your mobile phone for this tutorial, then you need to go over to your web browser, then type in this, and then you open it up. Then use any website that comes up to convert the image which you generated using ChatGPT to JPEG before you can now use it on Hailuo AI. But for those using laptop, then you need to go over to your file, go to the image that you have downloaded, open up the image. When you open up the image, you will see the image like this. This is the image. Now you are going to come over here and you will see this edit icon. Click on it. Then over to your right hand side, you will see this save option. Click on the save option and then click on save as copy. So now this is it. Then you just click on save, and that will convert this image from the web version to JPEG so that you can use the image on Hailuo AI. You can access the link to this website in the video description. When you come to this website, then you need to sign up using your Google account, or you can type in your email and then enter your password to sign up to this website. Then when you come to this website, simply go over here, click on create. When you click on create, then you need to come over here, click on this particular option. You can use your phone to access this website also. So from here, you select the image that you want to use. This is the image. Click on open, and here we have our image. You need to come down here. From here, we need to type in what we want to achieve using this image. So we want this person, this character to speak. while smiling and also have some movement with her hands. There's some camera movement you can add to your image. So if you click on camera movement, you will be able to see other camera movement. Here we have the freedom, so you can select any of this camera movement if you want to add a kind of camera movement to your video, but we are not going to add that. So after that, you need to come down here and click on this place where you see these 30 coins. You can see our image is generating, and I have to wait for 5 hours before this before I will get my video. But if you are using the premium version, then you can just get your result in 5 minutes. For you to avoid this long waiting, then you can do this in the midnight if you are using the free version of this website. So you need to click over the video, and this is the video. You can see the camera movement that we have there. So from here, there will be a download button over this place. Click on this download button and your video is going to be downloaded. So the next step we want to take is to go over to this other website called Dreamface. You can download this from your app store. You can also download from Google Play Store. You can install it as APK. You can also try it on your desktop. So when you come to this website, you can come down here. Over here, you can see avatar video. Come here and click on try it now. And when you click on try in now, you need to sign up. Come over here, click on login. So for this, we'll be using our Google account to log into this website. After signing in, then you can start generating your video. And to generate your video, this is how this interface is going to look like. So you need to come down here, click on photo and video. So you can upload either a photo or you can upload a video. So if I click on this, they'll ask me to upload from PC. So I need to upload from my PC. If you scan this code, you can upload from your mobile. So I'll click on photos, and from here, these are the photos they want you to get. So the right side, so this is for you to get a very good result, then you need to upload a video or a photo that the face is showing straight to the camera, not something like this. So I'll click on got it. They will take me to my file where I can get that video that I downloaded. So here is the video. I'll select the video, then come over here and click on open. And our video has been uploaded. If you come over here, you can see our video here. So now we can it's time for us to add what we want the avatar to say. So over here you can either type in your text here, or you can use the audio format from this particular option. So if I click on audio, they'll ask me you can either record or you can upload an audio. I'm going to be uploading the audio I created from 11 Labs. So if I click on this upload option, I will be able to upload my audio, then click on open, and my audio file has been uploaded. So for this is my audio file. Is just 15.6 seconds. So I'll come down here and click on generate. So now we have our video. Our video is done generating. If you open up this video, then you can take a preview of how this video looks like. I'm going to show you the full outcome of this video at the end of this video. So if this video was helpful to you, do not hesitate to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Let me know in the comment section if you need the prompt that I use in generating this image, and I'm going to send you that prompt. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video.
Hey, welcome to a new video. My name is Simbi, and I was created using AI. Let's learn how to create an AI talking avatar like me in this video. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel.